Welcome to our in-depth guide on Utah tax residency. Today we're diving into the important aspects that will help you understand how to establish residency for tax purposes in the Beehive State. Utah's stunning national parks, vibrant job market, and affordability are just a few reasons why so many are relocating here. But did you know that becoming a resident can significantly impact your tax burden? This video will walk you through the essential requirements to establish tax residency in Utah and what implications come along with it, providing clarity amidst the complexities of state taxation. First, let's talk about the basics of tax residency. Essentially, your tax residency determines which state has the right to tax your income. For those who work in a single location and stay put, the rules are clear. However, if you're juggling multiple states or working remotely, the situation gets more intricate. In Utah, your domicile and physical presence dictate tax residency. Domicile is your permanent legal home, or where you plan to return after moving out temporarily, while physical presence refers to how many days you've spent in the state. Understanding these aspects is crucial for effective tax planning. So what does it mean to be considered a tax resident in Utah? According to Utah tax law, you're a resident if you meet specific criteria, which hinge mainly on your domicile. It's important to understand that domicile isn't just where you live, it's where you intend to make your permanent home. Establishing this requires more than mere declaration. You have to show intent through actions such as changing your voter registration or driver's license. Understanding and navigating this definition is essential for compliance with Utah's tax regulations. An important factor for many is the 183-day rule. If you spend at least 183 days in Utah throughout the year, you will be deemed a Utah resident for tax purposes, regardless of where your domicile is. Tracking these days meticulously is vital, especially for individuals with residences in multiple states. Even brief visits contribute to your total count. Tools like Pebbles can automate this process, ensuring you have accurate documentation should questions about your residency come up from tax authorities. Finally, let's discuss some practical steps to enhance your chances of being recognized as a Utah resident. You'll need to take affirmative actions like registering to vote, obtaining a Utah driver's license, and showcasing your physical presence in the state. Moreover, being aware of the tax implications, such as the flat income tax rate of 4.55% that applies to your worldwide income, can help in better tax planning. Understanding the nuances, whether you're part-year residents or dealing with remote work, can help you avoid penalties while maximizing your tax benefits. By the end of this video, you should feel more equipped to navigate Utah's residency requirements, ensuring compliance and optimizing your tax situation.